so here we have all of the components for this 8-unit funnel trap 2. We have the cup. This is a wet cup, but there are also dry cups. Here we have the 7-unit funnel with the bottom funnel piece attached. We have the upper funnel. We have 3 long pins. We have our 5 hardware components. And we have a canopy. We have a 7/16 of an inch wrench and a flathead screwdriver that is about a 7/16 to a half an inch wide. So our first step is to assemble the hardware components and attach them to the canopy. So first we get the regular washer, attach it to the eye bolt all the way to the end of the threading. We attach the small washer, place it on top of the canopy, put the hardware through. Put the small washer on the underside. With the large washer, nylon nut. Tighten with the wrench. Make sure it's tight, but still allow some slack so it can spin. And now next we attach the pins to the upper funnel. So put it in and push to the left. Next we attach the canopy to the upper funnel. So we line up this hole with the upper pin. Once all the pins are in place, we use the flathead screwdriver. So rotate the canopy in this direction. Insert the screwdriver, twist, insert the screwdriver, twist, and one last time. So now all of these are secure. Now we need to attach this pin to the rest of the funnels. So the pin goes through this hole and we push it this way. Now you can see all the funnels are attached. Part is to attach the cup to the bottom funnel, push it in place, twist,